Yo, what's up? It's the Cushes. Today we're going to be checking out the AC Infinity Grow Tent duct vent here. And we're going to do an unboxing and a quick review. We're going to set it up real quick and show you guys how it looks. So let's go ahead and get the box open. Instructions. Alright, the box comes with two, but I'm just taking one out right now so we could check it out. So I believe this is most likely going to be the outside. And this is what you'll see on the inside. And this comes apart here. So the filter is a foam pad, and it looks pretty dense, so it should filter out pretty much most particles. The cool thing here is that it's easy to take apart, obviously, and take it out and clean it. Probably with just some dish soap and water will do the trick. But previously I was using filter sock, like the kind you put on a car air filter, an aftermarket car air filter, and that was doing a pretty good job. But yeah, this is pretty cool here. Looks like it's super easy to install and set up. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like on the grow tent. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw it in on the top vent hole here on my 2x4. I mean, ideally you want to use the bottom vent here, and that's the little sock thing I was talking about. You see how dirty it is. That needs to be cleaned. This tent isn't in use right now though, so it is due for a cleaning. But anyways, yeah, so you most likely should put it on the bottom, but we're just gonna put it on the top here for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to read the instructions. It looks pretty self-explanatory, so let's go ahead and get this thing put on. Okay, so for the outer piece, I just kind of put it over the lip there, and the threads are inside, so this isn't going to affect that, so should be able to just smash it right up against there like that. And for the inside, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to be tucking this into the side there. It looks like it has a spot already made to be tucked in that way, so let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the part I'm talking about here. It's got a little area inside here where the material from the tent could go into. There's the threads, and it shouldn't block the threads. You just stuff it in the side there and then push it together and turn it till it's tight. Alright, and here's what the filter looks like installed and attached. I had to fight with it a little more than I thought I would, but still it's pretty easy to put on. Here's the outside. But yeah, it looks pretty nice, and I mean, I'm not really going to test it. I'm sure it's going to work and do its job. It's a filter, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you want your indoor grow to be extra clean and you don't currently use a filter, this is a really easy and simple solution to get your grow tent filtered. Now, if you really want to go the extra mile, you can grab one of these bad boys here, and it sticks right on over the top. You just got to use your clamp that the filter comes with and clamp it down. That way you can get the maximum filtration possible. And both of these are easy to clean actually. This one you just clean with some soap and water also. But yeah, so that's the AC Infinity filter. Hope you guys liked the video. If you want to pick one up, I'm going to leave a link in the description. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.